Hey, what's up? It's Dragon Izumi with DragonPhysique.com, Blackstone Labs, and Universe 7 crew. Today we're teaching you the Kip Up. The Kip Up, a move that you've seen Jackie Chan and Jet Li do in martial arts movies. You've seen it in breakdance movies. You've seen it in WWE matches. You've seen it everywhere. And now it's time for you to do it. Alright, to start the Kip Up. Essentially, there are two parts that people always have trouble with. The hop and the land. So we're going to break this down to make it easy as possible for you to understand it and execute it. So we're going to start with the hop, or the launch. To essentially get the launch in, you need to have enough momentum built up. So we're going to start from a squatted position and roll back to get your knees to your face. This is just to understand the concept of getting your knees tucked in. You do not want to do this and have your knees halfway and land flat on your back. You want to use the momentum to get the knees all the way up and your butt up. The higher you go backward, the more momentum you'll have to launch forward. Practice that a few times until you get used to it. The actual part of the launch is divided into two parts, the hands and the knees. The hands are going to go behind you, and basically imagine yourself having a piece of ball or a plate on your hand flat and try to flick it off. It's gonna look like this. This is gonna push you up. At the same time, you want to use the back of your head to sort of push into the ground, drive it into the ground so you can launch yourself, your upper body up. Now at the same time, you're gonna be rolled back with your butt and knees up. All you're gonna do is kick diagonally upwards. If you're in a room like this one, you'll be sort of aiming towards the corner of where the wall and the ceiling match. If you're in any other place, just sort of set a target like a flagpole or a cloud, anything. Just remember to shoot diagonally, not up or not sideways. If you shoot sideways, like a lot of people do, it's gonna clip like this. If you shoot too high, also. So you want to shoot diagonally. And next part, the landing, as we talked about, your feet have to drive under your butt. And the motion of the Kip Up is going to be like a rainbow going through, like this. So if you're going backwards and you launch, you don't want to just fall. You want to curve in. That's where a lot of people have trouble. They don't arch their feet under them, so they end up falling flat. A lot of girls may have more of an ease of this move in the beginning because of their natural flexibility to get their feet under them. Even without having too much launch or air, girls will have enough flexibility to shoot their leg under them, even if they're this high. But of course, the more air you have, the more launch you have. It might be a little bit scary in the beginning, but the more space you have, the more it's easier to get your feet under you. So focus on that launch. Roll back, so knee, so shooting diagonally, and focus on the hand flipping. Now once you get your feet under you, once you have that covered, you also have to bring your upper body back up. So keep your chest up when you launch, and sort of imagine yourself doing a really fast crunch. If you leave your upper body behind you, gravity is just going to push you back down. So you might get your feet under you, but fall back, because your upper body did not go forwards. Make sure that you do a fast crunch with your hands launching you and guiding you. Now that we broke that move down, you may still be having trouble understanding some parts. You may still be having a thought about how complicated it is. So we're going to talk about how you can go about it step by step. When you get all that part, the launch, the shoot, the catch, everything down, but you still can't get yourself quite up, start low. Not just the move itself, but your expectation. So start by just practicing this. And then eventually, once you get higher and higher, until you understand the actual feeling of the launch. You want to take this move step by step and gradually build yourself up until you understand that launch and the catch, and you'll be able to master it in no time. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe below for more videos coming up. Till next time, see ya. movies with Jackie Chan and Jet Li and everywhere else, pretty much.
It's like it goes well, then it's like, fuck, I didn't think this far.
Alright, I blank out.
Damn.